The Homtruck is a futuristic electric truck developed by Horizon Auto, a new energy commercial vehicle brand under the Geely Holding Group. It's designed to be a home on the road, offering drivers a comfortable and luxurious living space while on the job. Innovative design. The Homtruck features a sleek and aerodynamic design with a large, glass-top cab that allows for plenty of natural light. The interior is spacious and well-appointed. The truck is powered by a battery electric drivetrain, offering zero emissions and a quiet, smooth ride. It has a range of 500 kilometers on a single charge and can be equipped with a methanol range extender for even longer trips. Autonomous driving capabilities. The Homtruck is equipped with advanced autonomous driving technology, allowing it to drive itself under certain conditions. This can help to reduce driver fatigue and improve safety. Advanced connectivity. The Homtruck is connected to the internet and can be monitored and controlled remotely. The Thor Vision vehicle is a concept car designed by Thor Trucks, an electric commercial vehicle company. It showcases the company's vision for the future of electric transportation, combining advanced technology with a sleek and aerodynamic design. Key features of the Thor Vision vehicle. Electric propulsion. The vehicle is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, offering zero emissions and reduced operating costs. Aerodynamic design. The sleek and aerodynamic shape helps to improve fuel efficiency and range. Advanced technology. The Thor Vision vehicle is equipped with a range of advanced technologies, including autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, and connected vehicle features. Spacious interior. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable and spacious environment for the driver and passengers. Images. While the Thor Vision vehicle is currently a concept car, it offers a glimpse into the future of electric commercial transportation. Thor Trucks has not yet released any information about production plans or pricing for this model. The Marchi Element is a luxury motorhome known for its innovative design, high and extraordinary price tag. It's often referred to as the most expensive RV in the world, with a starting price of around $3 million. Here are some key features and characteristics of the Marchi Element. Exterior. Striking design. Inspired by sports cars, race cars, and jet cockpits, the Element has a futuristic and aerodynamic appearance. High-quality materials. Constructed with carbon fiber, the exterior is both lightweight and durable. Panoramic windshield. Offers a unique and immersive driving experience. Interior. Luxurious accommodations. The interior is designed to rival the comfort and amenities of a luxury hotel suite. Spacious living area. Features a spacious living room, dining area, and kitchen. Master bedroom. Includes a king-size bed, ensuite bathroom, and dressing room. The ARKUP 75 is a floating home designed to provide a luxurious and sustainable lifestyle on the water. This innovative vessel offers a unique combination of comfort, style, and environmental responsibility. Key features of the ARKUP 75. Spacious layout. The ARKUP 75 boasts a generous floor plan with multiple decks, providing ample space for entertaining and relaxing. Modern amenities. The interior is equipped with all the modern conveniences you would expect in a luxury home, including a gourmet kitchen, luxurious bathrooms, and state-of-the-art technology. Sustainable design. The ARKUP 75 is designed to be environmentally friendly, with features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and a wastewater treatment system. Ocean-going capabilities. This floating home is capable of navigating oceans and harbors, allowing you to explore new destinations and experience the freedom of the open water. Additional features. Outdoor living space. The ARKUP 75 features multiple outdoor decks, including a rooftop terrace with panoramic views. Garage. A built-in garage provides storage for water toys and other equipment. Customization options. The ARKUP 75 can be customized to meet your specific needs and preferences. SealVans are amphibious caravans that can travel both on land and in water. They offer a unique and adventurous way to explore the world, combining the comfort of a camper van with the freedom of a boat. Here are some of the key features of SealVans. Amphibious capability. SealVans can transition seamlessly between land and water, allowing you to explore both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Comfortable living space. The interior of a SealVan is designed to provide a comfortable and functional living space, with features such as a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping areas. Durable construction. SealVans are built to withstand the rigors of both land and sea travel, with a robust and durable construction. Variety of models. SealVans offers a range of models to suit different needs and preferences, including the Seal 4.20M and Seal 7.50M. If you're looking for a unique and adventurous way to explore the world, a SealVan might be the perfect choice for you. Alpod Mobile Home, a futuristic living space. The Alpod is a modern, modular home designed for a future where space is limited and flexibility is key. Developed by James Law Cybertecture, Alia House, and ARKUP. Key features of the Alpod. Modular design. The Alpod is built from prefabricated modules, making it highly customizable and easy to transport. Versatile use. The Alpod can be used as a primary residence, a vacation home, an office, or even a retail space. Sustainable features. The design incorporates energy-efficient features and sustainable materials. Unique selling points. Stackability. Alpods can be stacked on top of each other to create multi-story structures, offering a solution to space constraints in urban areas. Smart technology. The Alpod is designed to integrate with smart home technology, providing features like automated lighting, temperature control, and security. Minimalist aesthetic. The clean lines and modern design create a sleek and inviting interior. Sustainability features and potential for stacking make it a compelling option for those seeking a flexible and innovative living space. The Crawler ZZ458 is a unique and innovative vehicle designed for off-road adventures. It combines the capabilities of a crawler, a side-by-side, and a utility vehicle, making it a versatile and powerful machine for exploring rugged terrain. Key features of the Crawler ZZ458. Crawler capabilities. The ZZ458 excels at navigating challenging terrain, thanks to its articulated suspension and high ground clearance. Side-by-side design. The vehicle offers a comfortable and spacious cabin for 2 passengers. Utility vehicle versatility. The ZZ458 can be equipped with various attachments and accessories, such as winches, plows, and cargo boxes, making it a practical tool for work or play. Powerful engine. The ZZ458 is powered by a robust engine that delivers ample torque and horsepower for tackling demanding conditions. Additional features. All-terrain tires. The ZZ458 is fitted with aggressive all-terrain tires that provide excellent traction on any surface. Locking differentials. The vehicle features locking differentials to enhance traction and performance in challenging conditions. Roll cage. The ZZ458 is equipped with a roll cage for added safety. The CMC ATHENA is a luxury yacht built by the renowned Italian shipyard, Cantieri Navali di Viareggio. Known for its exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail, the ATHENA is a masterpiece of naval design. Key features of the CMC ATHENA. Elegant design. The ATHENA boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior, with clean lines and flowing curves. Luxurious interior. The interior is adorned with the finest materials and finishes, creating a lavish and inviting atmosphere. Spacious accommodations. The ATHENA offers ample space for guests, with comfortable cabins and luxurious common areas. State-of-the-art technology. The yacht is equipped with the latest navigation and communication systems, ensuring a safe and enjoyable cruising experience. Customizable options. The ATHENA can be customized to meet the specific needs and preferences of the owner. Additional features. Sun deck. The ATHENA features a spacious sun deck with comfortable seating and sunbathing areas. Swim platform. Garage. A garage is available for storing water toys and tenders. Transforming. A powerful force of change. Transforming is a word that implies a significant alteration, a metamorphosis, or a radical shift in form, nature, or character. It suggests a process of becoming something entirely different, often for the better. Examples of transformation: personal growth, a shy individual blossoming into a confident leader. Social change, a society evolving from a monarchy to a democracy. Technological advancement, the transition from horse-drawn carriages to automobiles. Natural phenomena, a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. Key aspects of transformation often involve overcoming challenges. The Adria Sonic is a popular line of A-class motorhomes known for their luxurious interiors and advanced features. They offer a comfortable and stylish travel experience, making them ideal for those seeking a high-end motorhome. Elegant home-style interior. The Sonic boasts a contemporary design with high-quality materials and furniture. Loft-style interior. The large panoramic window creates a spacious and airy feel. Multimedia solutions. Enjoy a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers, TV point, USB charging surface, and more. Optimized temperature control. Stay comfortable with Truma or ALD heating systems. Organized storage spaces. Keep your belongings neatly stowed away with ample storage options. Here are some additional details about the Adria Sonic. Range. The Sonic offers a variety of models to suit different needs and preferences. Layout options. Choose from layouts with island beds, rear bedrooms, and more. Engine options. The Sonic is available with various engine choices to provide the right performance for your travels. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.